Hello friends, let's start with 6th class activities. In this activity we can use grid paper or you can use graph paper to find out the area of irregular figures. Learning objectives, prerequisites and material required mentioned. Each member of the group of students place the palm of his or her right hand on the square grid paper and move pencil around to trace the palm, and after that we can count the number of squares we have to find the area of your palm. Now let's start the next activity. To verify the addition is commutative for whole numbers by paper cutting and pasting, and to verify the multiplication is commutative for whole numbers by paper cutting and pasting. Learning objective, prerequisite, material required are mentioned. Steps are mentioned here. Now your observation, you have to fill in the blanks. Number of shaded boxes in the presentation of 3 plus 4 and number of shaded boxes in the presentation of 4 plus 3. Definitely it will be same. So let's start with the presentation part also, which will be in the next slide. Here it is represented how you add 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 3 by different strips, and the result will be same as it is mentioned here or process is on your screen. Upper part we have already discussed, and let's start with the multiplication part. Here we take 2 by 3 or 3 by 2 strips, and again you will find that the strips area is same, or you can say that both are following the commutative method also. Now let's take one more activity where we learn the lines of symmetry of the following shapes, and learning objective, prerequisites as well as material required is properly mentioned on the screen. Now the procedure is on your screen. By taking the figure and folding them by using a crease line and get the symmetrical lines there. Now the next activity is here to collect the data from the student regarding time spent in watching TV to represent the data in form of bar graph by paper cutting and pasting. Here learning objectives, prerequisites, material required as well as table is given to you properly.